Hey guys, welcome to episode 8 of the Destroy Android shooter game we've been making. In this episode, we are going to deal with when the app goes into the background and when it comes back into the foreground. And unlike iOS, for instance, Android has true backgrounding. So the way we have it now, what happens is when you put the app into the background by pressing the home button, the sounds from rotating the device that we put in will still be going off because the app is still running in the background. So what we want to do is we want to pause our controller so the accelerometer is no longer steering our ship. And we want to pause the game timer, which is what is creating all the Android guys and having them fall down the screen. So going into our activity class, our form class, I'm going to implement two new methods. So if you right click and go to source, override implement methods, there is two methods we want. We want on pause and on resume. So I'm just going to click those and import them. So the pause will get called when you press the home button, and resume will be automatically called when you bring the application back into the foreground. So this is pretty straightforward. We're going to take our controller object, and we just have to set the enable to be false. And the exact same thing goes for the game clock. So I'm going to take my game clock, and there's a timer enabled method, and I'm just going to send in false. Now we won't be able to, now our ship won't be steering, so the sounds won't be going off. Now the Android guys won't be falling down, so there's no explosions happening. And so that's it for the on pause. For the on resume, you can probably figure it out. It's going to be the exact same code, except with true statements instead. So to make life easier, I'm just going to take these and copy and paste them and put them into on resume and change these to be true. And that is it. That's all we have to do. If you actually have the Samsung Galaxy Tab, you can run this and you should be able to tell the difference now because you won't have whooping sounds and explosions going on in the background when you're not even in the app. That's it for this episode. For the next one, we are going to put a countdown timer for the application, meaning we'll probably give the user 30 seconds to rack up as many points as they can. All right, see you then.